Solemn prayer, a prayer for worries and in difficult times. God is for us a refuge and strength, an ever-present help in time of distress. So we shall not fear though the earth should rock, though the mountains quake to the heart of the sea, even though its waters rage and foam, even though the mountains be shaken by its tumult. The Lord of hosts is with us. The God of Jacob is our stronghold. Come and behold the works of the Lord, the awesome deeds God has done on the earth. God puts an end to wars all over the earth, breaking bows, snapping spears, and burning shields with fire. Be still and know that I am God, exalted over nations, exalted over earth. The Lord of hosts is with us. The God of Jacob is our stronghold. Verse of the day, but I will sing of your strength. In the morning I will sing of your love, for you are my fortress, my refuge in times of trouble. Psalms 59-16.
The differences of apostle, prophet, and a disciple. The prophet. A prophet is a messenger chosen by God to speak His word to His people. They receive visions, dreams, or divine revelations, and they are empowered to communicate God's message of warning, judgment, and hope. Their primary focus is on communicating God's will and guiding people back to righteousness. Think of them as God's voice, bringing His message to the world. The apostle. An apostle is a witness, chosen by Jesus to spread the gospel and establish the early church. They are empowered by the Holy Spirit to preach, heal, and perform miracles. And they are tasked with spreading the message of Jesus' life, death, and resurrection. Their primary focus is on building the church and sharing the good news of salvation. Think of them as the foundational leaders who laid the groundwork for the Christian faith. The disciple. A disciple is a follower of Jesus, committed to learning from Him, embracing His teachings, and living according to His example. They may not necessarily hold a specific official position, but they are dedicated to walking with Jesus, seeking to grow in faith, and understanding. Think of them as learners, seeking to follow Jesus and live out His message. Key differences. Authority. Prophets derive their authority directly from God, apostles from Jesus, and disciples from their commitment to following Jesus' teachings. Mission. Prophets focus on communicating God's will. Apostles build the church and spread the gospel. and disciples seek to live out Jesus' teachings. Scope: prophets may have a broader scope, speaking to a wider audience, while apostles focused on establishing the early church and disciples focused on personal growth in faith. While prophets, apostles, and disciples have distinct roles, they are all united by their dedication to God and His message. Each plays a crucial role in the unfolding of God's plan, serving as messengers, witnesses, and learners, spreading His love and truth to the world. May these insights, my child, help you to better understand these important roles in the history of faith.